Welcome to this week's edition of CEO Corner. I'm Otis Rawl, President and CEO of the South Carolina Chamber of Commerce, and we're in Clinton, South Carolina for Business Week at Presbyterian College. Business Week, a program offered by the South Carolina Chamber of Commerce to 200 of the best and brightest juniors and seniors in high school in South Carolina to learn about business concepts and certain leadership skills that they can apply back in their personal life as well as their schools. Today I'm happy to have Devin Turner with me, who is the proud winner of the S. Hunter Howard Scholarship. Devin from Socastee High School down around Myrtle Beach. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad to be here.
We're glad to have you. Let's talk a little bit about your decision to come to Business Week. Tell me why you decided to come to Business Week and how did you find out about it?
My guidance counselor, Miss Fran Keller, told me that I had been chosen as an ambassador from Socastee High School to be able to come to South Carolina Business Week, and I jumped on the opportunity because I'm always looking for a chance to expand my leadership skills and learn things that I haven't been exposed to before.
Well, I noticed in your application for the scholarship that you're involved with a lot of activities around Socastee High School where you can take a leadership role. Tell me about what you've learned about leadership this week and how you're going to take that back and apply it.
Well, I'm on the lacrosse team at the high school, and I'm with the lacrosse club, and I'm the president of the lacrosse club there. And I figure after I go back to the high school from Business Week, I've always got to have those skills to be able to work on a team and have everybody else be doing things at the same time I am, and how important the teamwork is.
Good. You've been here for 4 days now. Tell me what your takeaways from Business Week are.
As I said, I have a great value for teamwork. Also, I got into new insight into the business world that I didn't have before I attended South Carolina Business Week. And I'm walking away with a whole bunch of new friends that I didn't have before I came here.
What did you think about the business simulation that all the campers are having to go through?
It's pretty rough. We had to practice and play with it and tweak different aspects of it, marketing, what the cost of our products were going to be. And we ended up in 4th place overall, but I think it's very reflective of how random things are in the business world and how the whole market can affect your own sales and your own company.
Well, when you go back to Socastee High School, what do you go tell your friends about Business Week?
I'm going to tell them that I had a great time here, and the students that are 1 year younger than me, I'm going to tell them that they should jump on any opportunity they have to come, because it's a once or twice, maybe in a lifetime chance.
Well, we appreciate you coming, and we also will give you the opportunity to be an ambassador for Business Week in the month of November, where you get to make a presentation at our annual meeting, talk a little bit about your own personal experiences Business Week, and we look forward to seeing you in November.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you. Thank you for joining us on CEO Corner, and next week we'll talk about another issue that's pertinent to the business community. Thank you.